Hey everyone, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Hey everybody, so I have a hankering for a quick and easy icebox pie. I love those little icebox pie. They're easy to mix up, easy to fix. Slide them right into the refrigerator, let them get cold, and you have a wonderful dessert for any time of day, even breakfast if you want to. So today we're making a Kool Aid pie. Now what we need is can of cream cheese, a box of cream cheese, package of cream cheese, whipped up. We're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Y'all, when I was a kid, my sister and I would get this stuff out of my mother's cabinet, knowing full well she was going to make a pie with it or a cake with it. Get it and run outside and climb up on the house with a ladder. Get a can opener and a couple of spoons, and we'd eat that stuff right out of that can. I tell you, I remember thinking, when I grow up, I'm going to buy all the sweetened condensed milk I want and eat it every day if I want to. Well, you know, when you learn that it's not as good as you think it's going to be just because you can do it. I learned real quick that gets old fast. Okay, so you're going to mix all this. Now that's cream cheese and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. It doesn't matter the brand on these. So I'm going to mix this up and I'll be back when I get it done because it's going to take a little bit. Okay, so I've got that mixed up. Looks creamy and thick. It looks delicious. Just like that. Here's my Kool Aid. This is 0.16 ounces of Kool Aid. Now you can use any flavor you want. You can use lime would be great. I think lime would be great. Strawberry, cherry, anything. Today I got tropical punch. It's got a whole bunch of different flavors of fruit in there. I want it to be spring real quick. So I'm thinking tropical. So I'm going to add tropical punch. We'll see what we get. Relatively inexpensive pie. If you mess it up, it's not the end of the world. Okay, we're going to add that in there. We're going to sprinkle all that in there. Ooh, that's dark. We're going to mix that. Oh, how pretty. I was wondering if maybe I should use 2 packages, but no. I think 1 is going to be all I need. Wow, that's bright. Okay. Look at that, y'all. That is some kind of colorful. Now we're going to use Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces. The original Cool Whip. Alright. Put that in there. We're going to use the whole thing. I don't know, y'all. When I start making one of these pies, my mouth just waters so bad. I can taste it. It's the scent of that Cool Whip and that Kool Aid. Couldn't think. Cool. The scent that makes it so tasty. Okay, we're gonna mix that up. And that's gonna make our pie less pink, but it sure is pretty just the same. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. Of course, you know we're gonna have to put it in the refrigerator and let it set up before we can slice it. And let's get that going. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed up. Looks pretty. There it is. That's what we got. Did y'all lick the beaters when you were a kid? We did. The beaters and the bowls. Alright, here's what it looks like, y'all. It's pretty, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to put it in the pie shell. And I'll show you what it looks like. So, all I did was pour that mixture into the pie shell and smooth it around. And there it is. Isn't it pretty? Who knew? Pie using Kool Aid. I'm sure they've done that ever since Kool Aid was first invented. And I think I remember making it many, many years ago, but I had forgotten all about it until recently. You can make any flavor. It's a beautiful pie. Put it in the refrigerator, let it firm up pretty well, and then slice it up. Or do like I want to do. Sit in your recliner watching TV and eat it with a big old spoon. Hope you like it. Hope you try it. Hope God is good to you today. See you soon. Bye-bye.